In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert this dumb rat trap into a smart rat trap. You can use this Z-Wave sensor to basically convert any dumb devices into smart devices. Let's get started. For this smart rat trap, we'll need a 5-gallon bucket. I got mine from a paint bucket, as you can see. 1-inch PVC, 2 printed end caps for the PVC. If you don't have a 3D printer, it's okay. You can use a end cap from Home Depot or Lowe's. A Z-Wave sensor with tilt and accelerometer. A metal rod to hold everything into place in the 5-gallon bucket. Installation is pretty easy. First, let's get this Z-Wave sensor paired with your hub. There's a gap near the bottom. Use the included tool to pry open the cover and pull out the battery protector. There's only one button, so put your hub into pair mode and press this button 3 times fast to get it into pairing with your hub. Once it has been paired, slide the Z-Wave sensor into the mount. Slide the rod into that holder. Cover the 1-inch PVC at one side. On the 5-gallon bucket itself, drill one hole at the top. Drill another hole on the opposite side. Insert whatever you assembled so far into one hole. Use the other cap to complete the other side. Don't forget to fill the bucket with at least 1 gallon of water. This way, when a rat falls into the pit, there's no way it can jump out. Go ahead and test the PVC pipe. Make sure that it can rotate easily. On my phone, whenever there's any movement, you can see that it goes from safe to unsafe. This is a binary sensor, so in Home Assistant it's actually on or off. Let's set up the automation in Home Assistant. Go to Configuration, Integrations, Z-Wave, find that tilt sensor. Here you can see all of the entities that's associated with that device. We're only interested in the accelerometer part, so copy that entity. Go back to Configuration, Automation, Add Automation. Name the new automation whatever you want. The trigger will be a state of that entity that we're interested in. Paste it in. We're interested when it turns from whatever to on. The action will be calling the service using Telegram. That way, whenever there's movement on the PVC pipe, I get an alert on my phone via Telegram. The message will be, check the trap out on the deck. Hit save. So this is the setup that I'll be using. This is a camera from Amcrest and it's connected to my NVR to record 24/7. Don't forget to smear the PVC pipe with some peanut butter. I'm told that rats really love peanut butter. Sure enough, after 8 hours of deployment, I got an alert on my phone at around 4:45 p.m. And when I got home to check the NVR, this is what I see on the camera. The squirrel was eating the peanut butter, but it didn't fall in because its legs were split apart wide enough that it won't fall into the pit. So it's something I learned that's interesting. This trap does not work on squirrel, don't even try. Originally, this sensor is meant for the garage, so that way people can know whether the garage door is moving up or not, whether it's tilted or not. Let me know in the comment section what you're planning to use this sensor for. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.